Hello everyone! Today you will learn how to customize the story map template. This customization tutorial will be useful for all story map design options, including the Quick Start sidecar, guided map tour, or Explorer map tool options, as well as starting from scratch. When you start from scratch, you'll be customizing your story maps from a blank slate. ArcGIS StoryMaps continues to evolve, change, and add to their features. For the most recent updates, you can always go to the question mark icon next to your avatar on the StoryMaps dashboard. Clicking on the question mark will open options. Choose What's New to learn about the most recent additions. Now, back to customizing your story map. First, go to the StoryMaps homepage. Make sure you are logged into your organization's account with an institutional license so that you have full access to the features in StoryMaps. Click on the button that says New Story located on the right side of your screen. As we are starting a clean and fresh story, click the Start from Scratch option from the drop-down menu. It will open a clean new template. Because this is a brand new template, you will have a blank and featureless story map with a white background. To customize your own background, click on the Design button, which is located in the first option on the panel at the top and near the center of your screen. The Design panel will appear on the right. Depending on your display screen's aspect ratio, you may have to scroll down to find the Themes section. Themes appear as the third section in this menu. There are 6 pre-made themes that you have access to, but you can always create your own by clicking Manage above the pre-made themes. So once you click Manage, a new window will open. Here you have access to your own created themes. But because you have not made any new themes, you will see a Create Your First Theme in the center of the page. You can either click the teal New Theme button on the right side of the screen or right below the text. It will launch a theme builder. Please note that depending on your Wi-Fi connection, it may take longer to load the page. On the top left side of your screen, you can rename your template located in the Untitled Theme field. You also have access to several options to customize your template to your liking. As of now, you can only change the colors, typography, buttons, quotes, links, separators, and logos. In future updates, you may have access to more options. The right side of your screen will show you a preview of the choices you selected, which will automatically update based on the selections you made. First, the Colors section allows you to change the color of your header, background, and accents. Accents are buttons, separators, quotes, ornaments, and linked text. To change the color, you have access to presets, an RGB color wheel, or you can type in a color written in the form of a hex color code expressed as a 6-digit combination of letters and numbers defined by the RGB scale. Second, typography changes the font for titles or headings, paragraph texts, and captions. Click the field under any of the subheadings besides caption text to change the font style. Right next to it is the option to change the font's color. Third, buttons allow you to customize its style. You will see a teal outline around one of the 3 options so that you know which option you're selecting. The first option is a button with pointed corners. The second option is a button with slightly rounded corners. And the third option is a button with no defining points. Below these 3 options is a feature that only changes the button's color even if you're using an accent color. Quotes, links, and separators all work the same way as the buttons option. Here are the different styles that you can choose from. Option 1, vertical line. Option 2, quotation mark. Option 3, line border. Quotes are great when you want to directly refer to someone's statements. Links will help your audience navigate outside information. Separators help indicate each section clearly. However, you can insert your own custom-made separator by clicking on the gallery icon. You can use extension files with PNG, JPEG, and GIFs. Lastly, you can add a custom logo to a story or a collection's header. Please note that if you select a theme with a logo, the theme logo will overwrite the custom logo, and the logo option under the Customize section will be disabled. Once you are done customizing, click the Publish button on the top right of the screen. Click the arrow button in the top left corner of the screen and then click ArcGIS StoryMaps, which appears at the top left corner too. This will return you to your story maps. To set a custom theme, open the Design menu again. Scroll down if necessary until you see Theme and the preset themes. Underneath it is Browse Theme. All your custom themes will be located there. Click on the theme you recently created and you will return to your story map. It will automatically apply it to your story maps. And that's it. Now you know how to customize your theme. Be sure to check out our other videos